How to delete images from Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your uploaded images or files on Google Drive. So first, just head over to your Google Drive and simply select any of the files just like this, or you can also actually search it if you know the name of that particular files. Next thing, what you can also do is you can simply locate it right under this suggested files option over here. So let me just quickly delete any one of these files. Let's say this image file. Since I'm deleting image, just click on this three dot icon and click on move to trash, just like that. And you can also actually click on this delete button when you select the particular file which you want to delete, just like this. And you can also actually perform the undo button over here to simply undo the deletion. So once you have successfully deleted any files like this, so let me just do it one more time, and it will be heading over to this trash, and you can actually empty your trash by deleting it permanently, by deleting it forever. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.